Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if I've never enrolled in any of my courses, well then this is a course that you should not miss, okay? Especially if you're a Zambian, then you should definitely enroll to this course no matter what. So what is this course? So this is the course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies, but most importantly, you're going to learn how you can actually make money with cryptocurrencies. But here are some details you need to know. Okay, the first thing you're going to know is that, okay, you're not going to be sending anyone cryptocurrency for you to make money, okay? The second thing is you're not going to create an account on any website. You're not going to be depositing money on websites and expect returns. No, you're not going to be doing any of this. The third thing you need to know is that you're not going to be doing some referrals like referring people and earn money. No, you're not going to be doing any of that, okay? Lastly, you're not going to be investing anywhere. You're not going to be depositing or telling someone to trade for you. Nothing. Okay. And lastly, you don't need any skills at all. This course is beginner friendly. And what I can tell is that immediately within an hour when you're done learning this course, okay, you are guaranteed that you're actually going to make money. Okay, within an hour. Okay. But how true is that? It sounds too good to be true. Like, how can you make money just there and then? Well, this course is very different from forex trading or from other courses that I've created. So when it comes to trading forex, like, it can take months and even years to start seeing some good results. But with this course, things are different. This course, after just learning, within an hour, you'll be able to make your first profit. Okay, you'll be able to make the money. So what is this method? How true is this? Does this work? Well, this is the method that I have not shared anywhere. You won't find it on my YouTube channel, but this is a method that I've actually tried out and that actually works, and it's not even hard. Anyone can actually do it after learning my course. So who are doing these things? A lot of people are doing these things, okay, especially in countries like Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria. But in Zambia, there are few people who are doing this, but it is working. Okay, so how much is this course? Okay, I haven't yet come up with a final price, but I'm thinking of coming up with a price that everyone can afford. But the thing is, if I make my course cheap, it's going to seem as if it does not work. Again, if I make the course expensive, it's going to look like as if I'm trying to make money off you. So I'm going to keep the price just in the middle, not expensive and not too cheap. Okay, but at least everyone should be able to afford it. Okay, so this course is going to go for only like 250 kwacha. This is the starting price. So within a week, within a month, obviously I'm going to change the price to about 500 kwacha. So this course, I'm really targeting Zambian people, okay, because a lot of you guys have been contacting me, asking me of a way to make money online, and I haven't been providing value on which things you can do. Okay, so this is the best course. Yeah, so all you need to do is simply look for 250. But how are you going to make money? Well, that is what the course is all about. I can't tell you how you're going to make the money, or else the course would be useless if I was to spit out everything on you. Okay, so it's simple. So what you're going to learn in this course, you're going to need some capital. Of course, you need money to make money. You can't just make money from nowhere. But the good part is that you don't need millions. You don't need thousands. Okay, I think the minimum you need is actually $10. Okay, to get started, and you're going to make your first profit within an hour once you learn and get to understand my method or my strategy. So this is a very easy strategy of which you're going to learn in this course, and you're going to make use of the world-class award-winning e-learning portal of mine. Okay, that's what the joke. Not award-winning. Doesn't win any awards, but yes, it is a world-class e-learning platform, better than all the universities in Zambia combined. Like, my e-learning platform is very easy to use and to help you. Okay, the good part about the course is that you can learn from anywhere, you can learn at any time, and you can learn at your own pace. So this means that, so you're not going to give any excuse like, no, I'm a busy person, I can't attend classes. No, this course is available on my website. All you need to do, pay Okay, enroll in my course, start learning when you're free, and you can pause at any time, and you're going to find your progress, and you're going to get a certificate at the end. And after learning, you're going to be able to make money. So the thing is, okay, I would have offered the money back guarantee if it does not work for you. But it's just that a lot of you Zambians are kind of scammers. I can say if it does not work for you, you can give me back the money. But obviously, after just getting the knowledge you want, you're obviously going to request for a refund. So no, that won't provide. But what I can tell you is that uh this is the best course if you really need to make money right now online. Okay, yeah, the first course is the best because it's got some premium content that is not there on my channel. Okay, but if you want something right now that can help you make money, or even if you find your trading account, I think this is the best method that you can actually start. So what is this course for? I think this is for students or anyone with a lot of time, and okay, with a lot of time, then they've got a computer or a phone. But it would be best if you've got a laptop or a computer because it's much easier to do this cryptocurrency stuff on the phone or computer. So this course is beginner friendly. It doesn't matter if you don't know what Bitcoin is. It doesn't matter what if you don't know what cryptocurrencies are, because, and same as with my courses for forex, I start from the beginning. Okay, I explain everything. I explain what Bitcoin is. I explain what Bitcoin looks like. I explain everything about Bitcoin. Then now I head over to the most important parts in securing, okay, buying and selling, holding, safe wallets, blah blah blah, stuff like that, and most importantly, making money. So I guess I've talked a lot, but what I can say is that uh uh okay, I think what I can tell you is that as for me, like I've really made a lot of money from the knowledge that I've actually acquired on my own. Okay, and like from the knowledge that I've acquired through schools and stuff like that, and I've actually made a lot of money from learning a lot of things from different sources. So yeah, so you really have to invest money in knowledge, also invest money in yourself. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with Zambians. Like Zambians can manage to pay for an entire degree even when they know that they want to get a job afterwards. And here I am, I'm telling you something that is going to give you money instantly when you're done learning, but I know people go to hesitate to buy the course. Okay, and let me tell you about my forex course. So my forex course is as well targeted to Zambians. Unfortunately, okay, I only have about 6 or 7 students who are Zambians. Okay, like Zambians are not enrolling in the course. Okay, but if I was really interested about the money, I've got a Telegram channel with over 4,000 people. I've got a Telegram group with over 4,000 people. What I would have done is simply advertise the course to those people. But here's the thing, those people are not Zambians. Most of the people in those groups are South Africans, Nigerians, Kenyans, and the world at large. Okay, and what I would have done is simply advertise the content to my Zambian audience, and only few people have actually got to buy the course, which is really bad because I was expecting like a lot of people from Zambia to enroll. Okay, so I don't want okay, the thing is I've really helped a lot of people from other countries to be successful online than people which have helped in Zambia, and my target is to see a lot of Zambians actually being able to make money online. Okay, and like just seeing people from other countries who are always congratulating me that the stuff I did for them, they worked, blah blah blah. Okay, but if I don't get like 20 people enrolling in this course, I guess I'm going to give it away, okay, to other people. Yeah, I know I'm spending a lot of time in filming, editing, okay, and then I get nothing from that. It's kind of so tiresome. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I enjoy creating content. No wonder I'm actually not actually selling it to other people. But make sure that what I can say is now that if you've never enrolled in any course, if you've never invested in yourself, give it a try. This might work for you. No matter what, it will, as long as you do what I'm going to say in the course. So bye for now. This is K5000. See you in the lessons. Okay, All my contacts are going to be in the description. Bye for now.